Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. This is on in special video number 4. So for today's video we'll be doing jasmine flower hairstyle, and this hairstyle is perfect for pattu sari or silk sari and also Kerala sari and settumunda. It would look so beautiful with that. It has got such a South Indian vibe to it. So let's get started. And this hairstyle is much better if we are doing it for medium length and long length hair. So first make sure that there is no tangles at all in your hair. For that I do make a point that I always apply hair serum and just comb my hair really well so that there is no tangles at all. Not just that, when we apply hair serum, it reduces the breakage of hair, which is something obviously we don't want our hair to break. So I'll be applying the Streaks hair serum and combing it thoroughly. And once it is done, I'm parting my hair from middle. If you want to part your hair from side, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Then I'll be taking small sections, and then I'll be back combing it. If you have a teaser, you can definitely go ahead and use that. I do not have teaser, so I'll be using this normal rat tail comb. You can use any comb and then just back comb it. Basically all we need is a little bit of volume. So if you are back combing it really well, we will be getting more volume. Here I am not too harsh with my hair. I do not like back combing a lot because there will be a lot of tangles. So that's the reason I have back combed a bit, not a lot actually. Then what I'm gonna do is I'll be from one section of my hair, I'll be taking a very small section and I'll be twisting it. To that I'll be adding one more small section of hair and then twisting it again, and then I'll be repeating the same thing. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just adding small section of hair to the first section of hair and then twisting it really well. Once I reach back of my hair, I'll be securing it with a bobby pin, and then I'll be repeating the same for the other section as well. First take a small section of hair and then twist it really well, and then add on another section of hair, then start twisting it. So then when you reach at the back of your ear, just secure it using a bobby pin, or basically bobby pin. Then that's it guys, it's very simple. Since we have already back combed it, we have good volume. But then if you want to pull it out, definitely you can pull it out a bit so that it gives more volume. And then what I'm going to do is we are going to do fishtail braid. For that I have parted my hair in two sections, and from one section I'll be taking a very small section of hair and adding to another section, and from another section I'll be taking a very small section of hair and adding to this section. Basically it is self-explanatory, you guys can see what I am doing. So just repeat the same till you reach at the end of your hair and then secure it with a rubber band. I'll be pulling out sides of this braid so that it gives more voluminous look, especially if you have thin and fine hair like mine. Make sure that you do not skip this step, else it would look really flat and very thin braid. So to have more volume, to give a illusion of having more voluminous braid, just make sure that you do the step, just pull out the sides and adjust a little bit, and then comb your hair just like so, and then our hairstyle is ready. Now let's put on gajra or jasmine flower. First I will just keep this jasmine flower to my hair and see the length I need. So once I am satisfied with the length I need, what I'm gonna do is I will just part this jasmine flower in two, divide this jasmine flower in two with same length. For that I will keep my fingers in between, and then I'll be dividing this jasmine flower just like so, so that we get equal length on both the sides. So just keep doing it till you are done with the jasmine flower we have. Now I will take a string or thread, and what I will be doing is I will tying a knot exactly in the middle of this jasmine flower. Make sure that it is very tightly done. So what happens is it makes sure that this jasmine flowers be in place, it is secure for a longer time. Now what we need to do is we need to make this jasmine flower on equal length, so that it is very nicely put together. It will be very neat and very beautiful. So just take a scissors and just cut whatever flowers are extra, and also just cut in between so that each strings are individually, it is not together, and just place it on your hair just like so, and make sure that that thread part comes exactly in between, and then secure it with bobby pin. In this way we get both the sides equally, and obviously if you want you can put this jasmine flower in front, and if you want you can put it at back. It's all up to you. With that our hairstyle is completely done. I really hope you guys have liked this video. If so, you all know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So please do watch my upcoming videos, and by the way, if you guys haven't watched my previous Onam special video, please do have a look of it as well. So that's it guys, so see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.